Hello guys, my name is Ashley. My favorite character on Gabi is Let's Go Here. My favorite character on Gabi is DJ Catnip. This one. Baby Box and Catrat is my favorite. DJ Catnip, Baby Box, and Catrat is my favorite character on Gabi. Now let's go play Gabi's Dollhouse.
Candy, you got me again. Welcome
Okay,
to
let's
my
go
dollhouse.
to Kaki's room. Let's go, guys. This is my sibling's favorite character, Kiki. Kiki. And Kitty Fairy. That is my sibling's favorite character on Gabi. Okay, let's play this one, guys. I'm really a fan of Gabi. Now let's play. This is my favorite character on Gabi. It's Catrat, my favorite character in Gabi. And then my favorite character. And my favorite character on Gabi is DJ Catnip. And this is my sibling's favorite character, Kiki. And this is my favorite character, Mommy Box. And Petty Paws is my favorite character too in Gabi. Let's go to the next one. Now guys, let's go to Baby Box room. Let's play this one, guys. My favorite one is the cat one. The pink cat. See, that's my favorite.
Good.
Let's go to the drawing. Okay guys, just like my video and subscribe my video. Okay guys, guess what am I drawing? Guys, I'm drawing Jevin in Sprunky. Now let's go to the next one. It's for Baby Box. You can press here. I like this one. Let's go here. This one is my favorite. And this one too, my favorite. Now let's go to the next one. Okay guys, let's go to Mercat Spa.
Welcome to my dollhouse.
Let's play in here. this is what I like to from Gabby's hairstyle. Bro. Bro, he's glitching. See? It's glitching.
Hug attack! Candy!
Now let's go to Carlita's room.
Welcome to my dollhouse.
Oh my god.
Hug attack!
Now let's go to Pinocat's room.
You got me again. Welcome to my dollhouse.
We'll find this. Let's play blocks in here. Now let's go to Kitty's Fairy's room.
Hug attack!
You can draw right here.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hug attack! Sandy.
Okay guys, please like and subscribe my video guys for more videos. I am really a fan of Gabby's Dollhouse. So are you a fan of Gabby's Dollhouse? Please comment and comment your favorite character on Gabby. Bye!